nigo bakuru achikusi ao mbabuate mechanical production, welding, automotive technology, fashion design, cosmetology, human resource management, office administration and secretarial, electrical engineering, civil engineering, building technology, masonry, plumbing, carpentry and joinery, ICT technician.
Somebody tango kwa Jackson Omae igondo mwalimu Kabere ase school ya Tirimba Technical Vocational College was a deputy principal. Ase college ya Tirimba Technical Vocational College is located as Nyaliwari Masaba constituency, ward ya Gasusu, Karoweka as a junction ya Geteri. Aiga as a college yetu abanafunzi tubwate chinjira mbalimbali tukubakonya ekwarama itenga abayibuli baito gutwara barobwa asengenjo ye school fees. Kero mwanafunzi ikira se college yetu kubakonya tule kubaijuleria kusips eje kuba funding kurwa se serikali pamoja na funding kurwa se High Education Loans Board. Elinde banyaragora bakora kikosi cyabo asobworora na kutabukya kwirari bageri asengenjo yo kwaligania abasaya baito pamoja na abayiboli bareta abana babo banyako bakonyora kiskill ekira bakonye isikali nwali intake intogendrete karibu
intake ya January nigo egendrete ayirira nigo bagutuka asensemo ya Nyaribari Masaba lya Tirimba asamange bakire 0757331085 igose batalire ase e website www.riatirimba.tvc.ac.ke Riatirimba Technical and Vocational College, scaling heights of technology.
Chitariki na mirongo hebere na ibero mutinyi no mutangane umwaka no yugwechirubire mirongo ebere ne tano no muhomwancho mu ligerere nde no kwegena mbiyole andonsia sole na gokwanire abayo kwaligane kanyora mangana maya yekiunga chinse sano nebere chabo no butiko litera ne serious nyakundi hasense melio minyerero nigo to konyana nere Wilson Makore agusabire toskare. Go chaka limorioka hekionga nigo mugimenera pumbe kaunti Nyamira homoske cherusha mumanyi nigo litko liarero ara omoroberio bogo chakibene omoroberi bokwenana nabigo bokonyi ase chinsemo abunenchireyemo yokwene kibuna abamenyi benchi semechio ngo konye kabale ukwana chingike chuni go bigo hene kibuna nigo haro kuna abamenyi benchi semechio ngo chibale kanyoro bokonyi obu asokwegenderia na magimabo.
Obuya bokonyora chindagira ibintu byokurarira nechema nigo bwagokerwa nabamenyi bamanga ase bonge Kitutu Masaba omorobolio orengete kwenekia ebyombe byekinire nabantu abanyorire chinchira chingiya chokomenya biyamono okwana chinga kecho jerusha nigatebe kirenga kiaye ase omorobolio yo
sisi ambao mulichagua jukumu letu hata sisi ni kutembea na kusikia ni maneno gani ambayo yako katika vijiji na watu wetu wanakaa namna gani katika hizi vijiji.
Asense mwende ni gaorokio mogokoye asumorobolio we serikali wokoene kibuna aboroke wobonsi begrade ge komi bagenderera masomo abo ashiskuru chichi secondary oteba aboroke kwa nonyenkuru ase chamate chokonyora wense boigomba chokonyora libaga lyo kwegendereria kimasomo.
Tunataka kumake sure watoto wote ile 100% transition bado inaendelea. Mkiona kuna mtoto hako hapa ndani, ambieni sisi. Kwa sababu sisi kama watu ambao tunawarepresent hatuwezi kukaa tunyamaze na watoto wakikaa kwa manyumba.
Gatatu omosike Jerusha nigalira yogochikogendera kubwatirana ne serikali ya Dr. William Ruto eliko ene kibuna amagenderero agendere kunguswa gochase county yo ya Nyamira boigo aso kugendereria emerobelio yengencho ye serikali na monasa bantu bemyaka minene aso ko ene kibuna banyorire chibese chabo chinua jamii.
Ile changamoto ambao tumesasikia inaendelea na sio ya serikali, kwa sababu serikali huwa inaleta pesa, lakini wale watu wengine ambao wana transmit hizo pesa hata watatupatia reason why wengine wanapata na wengine hawapati, kwa sababu wale wengine ambao waliregister, kwa nini walete wengine na wengine wasipate? Nitaenda hata parliament niende kuuliza ni nini hii inaendelea, kwa sababu kila wakati pesa inakuja, lakini ile ufisadi iko Kenya hii. Kuna watu ambao wako na ufisadi na watu wengine wanaona hao watu na hawataki kuongea. Sisi tunataka mtu yoyote ambao ameweka mahali kuna pesa awe accountable.
Nkurubatirige taseni kiagatembe kurega se county Nyamira ilitrane ngoro kwa Daniel Untiri.
Bemono homoli kito Daniel Untiri. Kutkabusio nigo bunenchereje mo yogo kinia hegesa ko kyamambya nigo chikanisa na boigo abaiboli baboligwe koira chinga kichabo nabasemya abantu igoro yobobe bogotumeka hamarwa tancheire nonyana bo nigo mu women pu imeye county yo aragire byara bali babeire bagwikirani obonchereri bo muliogo atancheire nigo boigo abaiboli baboligo bonsi asebinyoro basemye bali bagwikirani obonyobo bunenchereje mo yogo tigali mulioka Molikito Fadgard Kisemba norobotirwa sinchira yobwikira
Egekuru egetindi ni okiabwatukirwe okiasibaria bakonia na gutumeka amarwa atancheiri egekuru ekeiga ekiabwatukwa n'omuwakirishi bwabang'ina imeye kaunti ya Nyamira omosike Jerusha Momanyi oyoboigo otebire buna obosagani obotindi nigo bobwenderete gokorwa erio kubabeka byara anene baria bagokora obonjuriria oboiga obwo bwakorire abange anene ekegori eke egeke.
Tumeona ile kampeni ambayo imeanza ili angalau katika vijiji yetu tusaidie watoto wetu ambao wanaenda kuangamia. Wale watu ambao wanauza ethanol hata mahali inatoka kama ni nchi jirani, tunataka kusema ya kwamba sisi kama wazazi hiyo kitu itatuangamiza, kwa sababu sisi ambao tunapita hapa vijijini tunaona watoto wetu hata hawajui kama wako na familia, hata hawajui kama wako na watoto.
Ensema yaye omokonyi bwo county commissioner we sub county ya Manga aserieta Valentine Cherono nigo aburirie chikanisa koira ribagari nene ryo kubasemya abantu igoro yobobe bogutumeka amariogo ayaiga yobotindia egento kirakonye kegori anene asamatuko amambia.
Tungane mikono tukatai maneno ya pombe. Ingawa tutamwaga tupigane na chief na polisi, lakini society must say no to this vice. Tukikataa tutaishi kwa afya njema, tutaishi kwa jamii yenye haina insecurities, tutaishi kwa jamii hakuna wizi. So wananchi wa Manga tukubaliane, ama tumekubaliana tuachane na maneno ya changa. Wale wanauza miongoni mwetu tuseme hapana, tukatae kama jamii. Na mkikataa hiyo biashara itaisha na tutakuwa na jamii yenye afya. So viongozi wa kanisa tukirudi kule kanisani kuhubiri, let us also preach to these people wawachane na biashara ya pombe haramu.
Kubwatikana naya nigo Mosike Jerusha Momanyi boigo abasemia baibori bonsi kubwatirana kurwase binyoro eryo kubaseria baria bagwikirania obonjuriria oboiga bwa marwa bona enjira eyemo yogokonya egesaku.
Watu wako na campaign and they want to make sure every home iko na mtu mwenye anakunywa. Every home. Kwa hivyo wazazi wangu, nataka tuombeane na tushikane mkono. Mkisikia kama kuna mtu wako karibu, tunataka kufanya kampeni na maandamano ya kutoa huyu mtu karibu na sisi, apelekwe rimani, aende kukaa huko. Kwa sababu mtu ambaye anaharibu watu wengine, yeye anataka kukaa, watoto wake hawakunywe, yeye mwenyewe hakunywe, lakini anataka kuharibu watu wengine. Hiyo ndio kampeni ambayo tuko nayo. We want to make sure hawa watu hawaonekani karibu na sisi, kwa sababu tusipojihatarisha hatuna jamii hapo mbeleni.
Hingo ripota Gatembe koroiga manga eye gutuka ime ye wodi ya manga ebunge ya Kitutu Masabe kaunti ya Nyamira. Fatigad Gisemba
Yamuno homori kito Fatigad Gisemba aso robotiro. Gavana we kaunti ya Kisii Mosike Paul Simbarati igene kirio moroberio gogochaka kwena no mabere gocha sabarukigo begirasi ya ECD gochaka chitariki bere homo tinyogocha aratio yo hokwana chinsemo chebo basini gobiga ane kyo moroberio kwena no wechi pasare igento gya koretwe ne kaunti ya Kisii anyana boigo ane kimiroberi aya magendro iyo haroberetie gochiwekirania bamenyi be kaunti ya Kisii.
Abantu babintu na tebe wanze kitakibere abana bali ba ECD once bali 68,000 mkonyo barabara amabere litko lya Jumatatu, Jumatano na Ijumaa ngaeta nkabubuli mugasabe amatemu ali agaeta ndiyamone saba sene omwaka twakolere gasibiyeka noyo oyo elete nali twarosi kipara nali amacha arosi noyo bono kibesa twabwata abamuraba batene 1.4 billion kibesa ekine twabege tugole brakta nagolere excavator kianda ekinyoro kigireda ekimigonde ekikole mepara 16 Chitiba 22 chikale chitiba chirora chiko tandacha amaraba isana chikale chiko bobolya ebraktabiri ibere chikale chamabuta ibere chikale chiko itorora mache pare kerwa kolmanalie busete kwa ndeme chiabantu ibere egali yemwe ku toolbox lakini kimashine chose tuwabekire system ile a smart system ya technology ondibwense obere bosongo gali opposite cases kutwarosire petrol ne gali ile kobekirwa mabutaiga noneke ni science nganya bise nkweguresi myane gali yabekirwa mabutaiche control of budget anganchere natoka mangane basari toro sento abana baitu ba primary course standard 1 mpaka grade kianda lakini oyino mutinyo gatano kabere oyiku mutinyo gatano gatatu eyibwango moyo ega siyoka yatigaire chibasari na decide nan kwanda ninje bweka Kenya ngima 47 counties boya na rule basari aba MC aba bakubwatira na Jacobuga bankonya tuka make sure tuarosire budget tukaenda tukarosire chiko kulwase Attorney General tukanyaire igaetigwa bono tukaiwa na okay yoko ina ne basari iko Kenya ngima ninje bweka ne county yana naenda ile basari forms chiko cha kwenda lakini ese basari montegere inabantu family ni maita abantu mbachi tabaka
Omo msewe wadi ya masi West Mosike Jacob Bagaka nikago keroko gorwa kwenya gitali ya nyabisia himeye wadi yo kutoka se bunge ya Bobasi gukwana chingeki ekyo nigo omusike bogaka aboria abamenyi b'echinse benchio kogendera kumugwatesia omugavana Paul Simbarati.
Itali ndoro ya Kitime County boko genda ri yabo ariko twatire matan child ndobati Itali ndoro lakini abantu banyabisia bagante bikesokura ari ngumugambi na atagete ngaba gakire nyagitari bagante itwakoire chikura koro mwana omoke ekero kugenda bunge o make sure ubwate Simba motorentere nyagitari. Tumefanya kazi hatujafanya. Simba amefika hapa hajafika. Bas ane tuarete equipment ekerna so nyagitari maria enanya orange equipment tiro ose ndebyo tumeka sanga ne kurwalia abantu baitu tote tikoigore nyagitari agachira na matobori ne simiti gakwerange egwacha koigore nyagitari egochaka kwana na matibabu boniga ngomna tolega iga gavana akoigore nyagitari na ndatomu nyagitari ngarani sina na mambyo kaleki obetu ondo bwatereneti anyaro mwana mu murambo ke Simbarati Mundo wale kuwata ni alama kwa wana nero kemanaka. Leo abono tusimba muno kama no tiko basiga. Umugaba no Simbarati bali abanga batamanyeti. Mheshimiwa Simba noyo minto ko basiga. Ndata tutegerane kabisa. Umugaba noyo minto na basi. Ndata tutegerane kabisa. Wewe wacha kupingana yeye. Umwanara kuruma jabro.
Yamate yomong'ina Elizabeth Nyang'ate Nyoka kurwase ekenyoro gia kura himeye wadi ya bosamaro hebunge ya West Mugirango nigo jesokire na gosaba ekonywe heri omwana wa Silieta Frida Nyaboki Nyoka agende na masoma yegereria 10 ase skuru ya sekondari ya Banyaruka ya Nyamururu magega yokonyora chipointi 52 asa matemwa KCSE kulengana ni amate yo nige gotebona nigo baiseire asobono basabire oyo bwate bitoki gosomo samalimuya kubakonya bunenchereyemo yokogenderia na masomo abo Mulikito Fadigat Kisemba orogotirwa senchira yoboikirano
Eyeiga ninkayo mutakanwa Elizabeth Nyang'ate Nyoka oyo omogakoye asiretio obogima bwaye emyaka 3 yaitire maiga yere korwara oborwaire bwa kansa yorobere engaki entambe egento korengana ni amate yeiga keirete enibo yabo yonsi na akamutigera abana bari esukuru
yabwate breast cancer yorobere yaro yake tubere obukagenda bukaire nyingi ngaita sinyagitari hospital onikire gento paka boni ganda buseganda bwatikende
igati y'abana abo batigetwe na ise Frida Nyaboki Nyoka oyo ise konyora atarasira nigo abegetwe ase skuru eyemo y'abanyene ime ye county ya Nyamira egento eskuru eyo etachete komotuguta korende ekagenderera kumubwaterera koboko eryo komosomia na goikere gokora matemwa ye KCSE na akanyora chipointi 50 na isa na ibere na akarangirwa ase skuru y'abanya ya Nyabururu korende okwamire isiko asengencho tibaranyora ebitoki bakomoirera eskuru
atakere ko report lakini tindanyora besa goikerera bunandega bono bona sabira mwana ariko konyo bokonyo nende mondolera mabera muno muburaka aseboni gatimbo atimulemba asengencho umwana one akorera kila lituko tabwati mulemba gonde mama njendi ngocha kwenda school lakini tindanyora bokonyo nasabira manyare gonkonya agindo mwana agende school
kurende nigo mworokiwa oyoiga atameire onde bwensi komokonya eryo agenderere amasomo aye ye grade ya 10
kwa majina ni Frida Nyaboki Nyoka, a student of grade 9. I did my KCSE exam. I got 67 points out of 72, but now in our family my father passed away. He was the breadwinner of the family. Since my father passed away, this life has been miserable to us. We even sleep hungry because we don't have anywhere to dig. We are just like this. I will pray that anyone with a good heart to just help me go back to school and to accomplish my dream of being a neurosurgeon. I was called to Nyabururu Girls High School.
nensema yaye omutureti bw'ekinyoro kiiga kia kura imeye wodi ya Busamaro asereta Jane Atuti nigonere aburirie onde bwenzi ore no moyo bwokonya aiswana nigati eriakonye yamateye iga erio endoto yaye Frida Nyabuke nyoka ya masomo eikirane
oyagi kurukia nginda asante sana so yokoboko na baraibande gakibanyamira county onde bwenzi onyore information yeye mungino mubara kekera kurira nyasaye ba abakune chinkoro moso yokoboko mwana yagende school nere breadwinner ase familia yera bwata bana 4 bono yo nero beire breadwinner nyasaye abakune chinkoro musire ase nkeye yabo kunanda gaiga chirani endete yo onde tayo baranyara ko baba gutamira nakara umwana asoyiri nyasaye umugwatira ko bakwetire njereye onde bwansi pin information yeye guikira bari bakurikia proga hao abara yao hao abateregita aba MCA aba senator oro mpaka iguru no gutuikira Ruto gaki omonene abakune chinkoro musiro mugine Elizabeth
Ingo reporter Gatembe kuraiga kura eye gutuka imeye wodi ya Busamaro ebunge ya West Mugirange county ya Nyamira Njefa Tigad Gisemba
Yomono homori kecho Fadigad Gisemba haso robotirwa Ekema gia chupiri nigo kiaralibene hamonchirali yoborai osi bochori boke siboigo hoyorengo mori kibike mekyo Jeremia Kione bachorwa kwa bomokonyi weke mekyo Moske Vincent Kimosi kwa munyakerogo na boigo Motareli Orikanta bachorwa kwa bomoriki kugwana chingeke cho Moske Fred Matiange yoraliriganga yogo cha kuligekerogo kyoborai benseniga tebirubuna monchirali ayo no kwene kibune kemekyo ngotinya kere hoborai bwae
The Honorable Moitalel Olekenta as our new Secretary General in Jubilee, the National Chairman of Jubilee, Vincent Mogaka Kemosi, recruitment, outreach, our legal services, compliance, and as I move around the country campaigning and engaging with various community leaderships, we want to work with Kenya's young people. We don't want to tell them to come, we want them to be involved, to occupy leadership while they are within the party. And you have seen the decisions we have taken today, how many former student leaders we have brought on board, leaders at various levels. We have begun the process of opening up our new offices across the country, meeting with our delegates and leaders at the grassroots level. We are strengthening ourselves, expansive responsibilities. Jubilee is a member of Asimio still, in advance. We haven't gotten to the bridge. You want us to we started talking, we are working with other people and so on.
na soro bochoro mancho morigeria tigatanyoro motimo koma ketu koirana togendere ne kyunga hasinchira yobo ikirano.
Welcome to Elimu Academy, a modern school committed to offering the best education for every learner. We are CBC compliant and provide junior secondary education, ensuring a seamless academic journey for your child. We provide excellence in every detail, a modern, spacious library, fully equipped for every learner, a state-of-the-art science laboratory and a modern computer lab, perfect for hands-on, practical learning, spacious, modern classrooms for comfort and focus, top qualified teachers certified by the Ministry of Education.
In the latest Kenya National Council for Examinations KJSEA results, Elimu Academy recorded outstanding performance. Out of 48 candidates, 29 exceeded expectations, 17 met expectations, and only 2 approached expectations. Most impressively, 32 learners successfully transitioned to C1 secondary schools, a true reflection of strong academic foundation and consistent excellence. The 2026 intake and admissions are ongoing. Hurry and secure space for your child today.
Located 2 kilometers from Kisii town, along the Kisii-Keroka Highway.
Call us on 0741 562 931 or 0780 894 411.
Elimu Academy, educating for eternity.
subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero ili wimanye muna mangana watika kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV nigo tokukora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Gatembe ao ngakiende yonse inyuranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video chito boigo share n'abasani amuni amate ejo baigokie bemanye na wesemia tubase kweba turn on a notification bell yani ekengere ejo onyari kubagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Gatembe Television Network ekinakyo ekeunga kiamamogusie.
Karibu na inde omwanjwa omoligereria chikotineta chiepati ya chupiri korwa se kaunti ya Kisii nigo baimerana helikobeka emeroberi yogoswa ebinyoro ime helikolikia babwatani ime yekiamekyo helikogendera kobeka chinguru chio kumosira Homoske Fred Matiang'i asobachori boromotwe ase bagokera hamonchereri yoboteneneri national bakurawa no muri kiche misondari oyibego romo MC obochitendere homo MC omochore kaunti ya Kisii Redemptamura wego munyakirogo bwabangina nigo babolira abantu kwerikia bakichukura elio naboigo korali omorembe
Jubilee mbele pamoja, mbele pamoja Jubilee ya Musa na goke sana sisi kuria retumere na bami ngaiga Jubilee me novice Kisii County ege nga kenene na botwaro ngana ntwa bwate chibaraka leo etwacha committee na nde changes cha koru headquarter yetu rugari una bono igege ndugiyukanda abatebi gusiye ito ya imukire Jubilee yokiroro igo tutete pito bamo tokore gasi asomorembe na subwate
Nini maitene kiame kenene lakini for some time kuruchikura chi age tu na ora anyonga ntu irinde maegake lakini tuachire irinde tukimukirira igoro tuikera abantu baito baringa mashinani abo bari city ward abandi bari polling stations na abandi bari sub county tuiguana nenga kituko imukirira igoro irinde tuanze kurari igoro ye kiama na mono kurari presidential candidate yeito musike Daktari Fred Okengo Matiang'i
ono ige tutete kogenda grassroots to register abantu bonse pia se Jubilee party kurwe ward pake county aina arabo togendre tokokora bono iga na kitwacha kumanyanga ki na kitokogenda njira kitokogenda na baminta
mangana to kwani na yogoro chobi sa kisa mkondo chonsi tia Kisii County na inde tua rule support yetene na mono sana asobura ibwacho rulero as national level
committee area management ego ikera ya change through party leader yaito yokoro His Excellency the former President Uhuru Kenyatta amone deputy party yaito Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i mbai wana nte bakameke sure anga tiga bakole to changes elinde kiama gitu giansa buru na ndenduma etenga mangi them changes jira
kubatikana na monjereria hakorekana himeye kiama gia chupiriri tukoria rero igabono homo bunge omukoro gwe bunge ya West Mugirango Muske Vincent Kimusi achorwa koba homo nyakirogo gwe kiamekyo moseneta we kaunti ya Nyamira Muske Kongo mugeni nigo hairali bagana komo koboko Kimusi asogochorwa kwaye
Nchino moseneta we kaunti ya Nyamira Kongo mugeni onko irali bageli komo ongera na Kongole omwana minto mheshimiwa Vincent Kimusi mogaka asoka nyorali bali ochorwa ko manene yawe kiombi ya Jubilee tokumusabira amayanya sabe nere nenda moe bongaini elinda nyare kora kiombi ya Jubilee gekine sae na tubwate sia kenyare kole to barabu asoro gongoro ito rwagusi mheshimiwa Kimusi hongera na congratulations buna gwanso borai tokumusabira yasamo ikisemi na jirikia ceremony yakora abafuasi bekiombe kiya Jubilee barwete chingongo awo chia Kenya anyale kora nobo ngaini nobo rabu ya ase Kenya yaito.
Una enjerejemo yogotingia sekta yechisemi haigeme yenseni ya serikali ya nekiruna nechikwoneki nkogendereriere biya omuroberi w'aboroko abagereri 10 waswase chisukuru kukwana se chiabisi chia KICD ime ya Nairobi wasiri wechisemi Julius Migosi ogamba nigatebire buno omuroberi w'ogwake bitabwe chaba nigogendererete ase serikali bono yakanire ebyombe biri bigendete gwikirania omuroberi uyu.
As you are aware, we are undertaking a very serious transition of our grade 9 students to grade 10. This is the first cohort of the students who have undertaken their studies under the competency-based education system, and we are transitioning them to senior school, that is grade 10, in preparation for them to transition to the universities in 2029. One of the issues that we've had to deal with is the issues of ensuring that we have all the reading materials and the books in schools as the students get placed in grade 10. As you are aware, there was a challenge with the distribution and printing of these books, primarily because the government does owe money to the publishers. Towards the end of 2025, the outstanding amount was about 11 billion. We did negotiate with the Ministry of National Treasury, and we were able to receive 5.6 billion, which has since been released to the publishers to allow them meet some of their obligations and therefore make it possible for them to proceed with the printing and distribution of the grade 10 books. As you are aware, the grade 10 students were supposed to report to school between the 12th and 16th of this month. We had a few challenges and we had to extend that reporting to yesterday, the 21st of this month. And today we'll be releasing the actual numbers of all the students who have actually been admitted to our senior schools across the country. Which therefore means that studying in these institutions will start in earnest from next week, which requires that we need to ensure that they have materials in school to allow the teachers to be able to start their curriculum, their training, and their teaching of our students. I have
na gwikira gabo mwancho murigereria nonko ya kurira mangana maiye kionga chinsa ikibere cha bwana butiko kurende chikoraga chinsenye cha butiko ni ngirane komanya senjera yo gwikirano literane Cyrus Nyakunde ase twabirito kubwaterana era Wilson Makori ase ensemeli yebimenyererio ase keke kirumutwe igomoroberio mo komenya buyake bocheno horaji go swembeo ase munyagitari korwa World Fit Dr. Ken Namuse aikiranire aigaime iye studio mwancho murigereria tuskare.
Korista Training College inakupa mafunzo bora ya teknolojia na ujuzi wa kisasa unaohitajika sokoni.